In this video, we show you how to use the toolbar in the editor. The toolbar offers a range of functions that make editing easier. To better understand the function, we will use a switch with several fields as an example and set the switch to color printing. The toolbar appears with the items Last Action, Element and Workspace. To explain the function, we place various elements on the switch. The JUNG symbol button is used to insert a symbol. The text field button is used to obtain a text, which we then move to the correct position using the center button. Next we place a counter on the third field, and on the last field we place another symbol. Here we change the color and scaling using the corresponding buttons. Using the toolbar, you can now undo or redo your actions step by step. The duplicate function is used to copy and insert the symbol. This duplicates the symbol you have selected. The color can also be changed. If you now want to change the layers of the symbols, you can do so by using the button Bring to Top. To remove a symbol, use the Delete button. To the right of the Delete button is the Rotate button, which is particularly helpful if you want to move the lens to a different position. This lens is located in the center, in a vertical position on the switch. If you use Rotate, the lens changes from vertical to horizontal. The R on the Rotate button indicates the respective position of the switch. The Edit button shows how the switch actually looks at the end. As soon as you have pressed the Edit button, the areas disappear that cannot be labeled and you can see what the switch looks like when finished. The settings are saved with the Save button, and we return to the overview of the collected products.